Picture this. You just checked your bank balance and there's a 3 and a 7 and multiple zeros. But the 3-7 come after all the zeros. It's not even enough for the large fry at the drive-thru. And every time this happens to us, we think, am I not doing something right? I don't have enough for a fry, let alone investing in something to make more money. And every hustle video out here, that's all they talking about. That's all they telling us. Set up a Shopify. Start investing. All you need is $50 to get started. Like everybody out here got coins just laying around. See, I know how it really can get. Now, baby, this one is for my girls, for my homegirls who are brilliant but busted. Okay? And I mean busted. But it's okay because, baby, guess what? This is the season. We ready to turn into our success story. And let's get right into that. Welcome back to the channel, ladies. Welcome back to Stacks from Scratch. It is me, your girl, your host, Mrs. Latoya Slater. And that's right, you already know. If you've been here before, you can just call me Toya. What's up, everybody? That's right. Before we even get started, I need to ask a favor of you. Could you do something for me and just smile? You heard me. Smile. I'm dead serious, homegirl, because if you could smile at yourself right now, even while you busted, guess what? The smile can turn into something magical. Why? Because this is a new version of you coming to life. This is a rebirth, a revamping of the mental, a revamping of the money mind, making over the mind. You are the origin of this story. So give yourself a smile right now, because you're going to want to remember this day. You're going to want to remember this moment, okay? Because I want you right now to go ahead and tap the like button like it owe you some money, okay? Because we about to get into the real. So let me just tell you a quick story, homegirl. Real quick, okay? There was a point when I was literally trying to turn quarters in for gas. I mean, scraping the change from under the seats and looking in the ashtrays and putting together the pennies in the bottom of my purse. You know, all I had was a laptop with a cracked screen and a dream. You hear me? What could I do? I started designing flyers. I started trying to just get creative just so I could get the basic necessities covered for myself at times. You know, so I would put out these promotions, and I was on Facebook. I was making sure I was DMing at least 10 people a day. Inboxing people like, look, sis, I just saw you post an event. Let me know if you need some flyers. I got you. I'm on deck. And before I knew it, I was getting, enough money to pay a bill here. Go out to eat there. And eventually I figured it out. There is a way to make money with no website, no investment, and just some plain old-fashioned effort. So if you're ready for some of that, you in the right place, and I'm about to put you on the right path and show you some real solutions with $0, so you can turn to stacks from scratch, literally. And here's how you're gonna start. Number one, you can start a service that you already know how to do. And see, I've mentioned this before, but let me reiterate how important it is, because if you're braiding hair, if you're doing nails, if you're writing resumes, even if you're not already inclined to do these things, guess what? You can learn for free this day and age. You can put it in a post, create a flyer on Canva. Listen, I'm offering to teach piano. I'm teaching acting, drama skills. post this and offer your work. Offer your work. It will cost you nothing, and it's going to put your skills in motion where you'll be learning more and more just by getting started. Number two, you can create a digital offer. And see, this is something I make money doing too. I try to put them out here. It's, in ways that make sense to you, but at the same time, I wanted you to understand that some of these I have experienced and still experiencing right now, creating a digital offer. You're going to go to Canva and design something so simple. Canva already have the designs on deck. There's plenty of thousands of templates. You're going to create a checklist or a guide, okay? I want you to think like you're going to create 10 prayers for a peaceful morning routine. Make this a booklet or just principles, or a weekly budget sheets for mothers, for families. The template is already, you can fancy it up on Canva, add your different elements, change some colors around, and then you can post it for sale on Gumroad, Payhip. Etsy is still a great platform. Okay. Next, and I hope you're taking some notes. At least writing down these sites. And if coming up soon, I'm gonna start using some writing materials myself. I wouldn't mind having a whiteboard sometimes. I didn't want to fall into that and seem so cliche like everybody's doing, but I see now it's almost it is a good tool to have. It's a good tool to have for content creators. So next, number 3, you could be a connector. Girl, what is that? I'm telling you, these is fresh from me. But listen, you know people who do good work. All you're doing is flipping work. You know people who do good work. You can refer them. And then you're going to create a DM script that you can send out to business owners or busy people that you know, so you can get paid off of referring them to clients. You can even build a free platform on Linktree where you can list your services and people will vouch for you as they use you. And this is free. You might be living check to check. You might be living no check to no check. You might be creating it as you go along. But these are some things you can start implementing right away. Right away, y'all. Without one dime. Next, you're going to use free platforms that pay. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Make a choice. I'm not telling you to just jump on all of them, but they are free. Even Facebook is paying well. And start sharing content. Everything is content nowadays. You could be brushing your teeth and post it, and you never know, it'll go viral. All you need is a voice, your phone, a good angle, and talk about what you already know. Just be a little consistent with your post. And if I were you, I would do one platform at a time, maybe 2, but I would not try to do all of them at one time. Somebody's not going to get watered. Somebody's not going to get enough value. You're just setting yourself up when you try to run them all at once. All you need is your voice, okay? So you're going to talk about what you know or talk about what you do. Even if you're going to work, start filming it. Filming yourself on the way to work. You don't even have to say a word. It's still content. Hit it in again. It could be a little caption on there. And you can use chat to help you with your captions. All right, y'all. I'm telling you, there is always a way. Like my dad used to say. There's always a way. And you can create some money from nothing. You can make money when you're in a situation and you have nothing. And down to zero. It's a way to come up. There's something you can do. And if you're not creative enough to think of things on your own, I'm advising you to tune into YouTube to check out some of the brilliant minds on here. Some of the most creative ideas in the world are right here on this platform. So shout out to you. And shout out to YouTube. Now this week, I want you to challenge yourself to launch something for free. Launch something and don't pay a dime, and launch it. Post it, and just pick one service, one that I've already mentioned, or select you one. Go ahead and do a little research. Write one post about it and put it out there. Tag me when you get your client. It Stacks from Scratch. If you bold enough to do it. If you with it. Okay? And remember, you're not broke, boo. You're not busted. You are pre-wealthy. Okay? So let's get it. Now that you got this hustle idea going, it's time for you to turn this around. Go ahead and check out the next video so you can get over to Canva and learn how to design an easy, simple flyer for your new service. Jump over there, click it, learn how to get paid, learn how to stay paid, learning how to solve problems that other people have. All right. Well, that's it, sis. And if you're tired of trying to invest in yourself and tired of trying to find a way to flip some money, start from scratch. And I just gave you the blueprint. All right. I will see y'all in the next video.